back to my channel. This year, we have a Christmas makeup look for you guys. Try my best to do one every year so that we can kind of have a bit of inspiration, have a bit of fun when it comes to year-end festivities. Although I feel like I won't be celebrating Christmas this year because my baby is gonna come out during that period of time. First things first, you want to prep your skin. I am using the Oligo Hyaluronic Acid 5000 DA toner. So prepping your skin with skincare before makeup is very crucial as to how your makeup is going to look and last throughout the night. You want something hydrating, something balancing. It's also really important to prime, and I'm using my Guerlain primer. This one just gives me a very nice luminous glow, and I feel that this year it's all about skin looking like skin. I really like the makeup trends that happened in the whole of 2022. It's what we will be recreating today in our Christmas look as well, just that we're going to jazz up a little bit on the glitters, a little bit more on the glow. For foundation, I'm using the Guerlain Parure Gold Skin. This is the iconic one. Taking a setting spray, you want to constantly be misting your puff. Just pressing it in. Next up, I'm going to conceal my under eyes with a hydrating concealer. This one is the Shiseido Synchro Skin. Same thing, I'm going to put it at the back of my hand. Time for some glow from within look. I've been loving to create a glow using these two products. It's the Huda Beauty FauxFilter Concealer as well as the Dolce & Gabbana Universal Illuminating Drops. Basically, you mix it together with like your foundation or your concealer and it will give you that nice sheen. Rare Beauty has one, Fenty Beauty has one, I think. And with this, I'm going to apply it in the center of my face. You see the glow? Because we mixed it with the concealer, it's gonna provide extra coverage and extra clean looking skin. Your base is almost done. I'm going with a contour. This one is my Fenty Match Stix in the shade Mocha. Next up, you want to powder. Even if you have dry skin and you are using a matte foundation for our Singapore weather, it's very important to powder so that your makeup can last for much longer. Same thing, I'm using my Decorte powder. Of course, there are many good setting powders out there. We've got the Hourglass powder, we've got the Laura Mercier powder. Innisfree No Sebum is a good drugstore alternative. And I'm literally just taking a tiny bit because I don't want to take away too much glow, but I don't want any creasing and I don't want any fingerprint marks. Using Benefit's Hoola Lite to set our contour earlier. So this is a very light brown color. I feel that it's more suitable for our skin tone compared to the Hoola. For the brows, I'm just going in with Precisely My Brow from Benefit and doing it really similar shape, like a very natural shape. Keeping it slightly straighter because I want it to be more of an everyday Christmas look. And we want the hairs at the front to have a bit more texture, a little bit more 3D-like. Because it's Christmas, we want a little bit of red. I'm using the Brow Volumizer from Etude. This one just kind of tints my brows a little bit because I'm using the shade 4. For the blush, I'm going in with the Rare Beauty's liquid blush in the shade Love. Very Christmassy. I really love this color. And it's so pigmented, it's a bit scary. Putting it at the back of my hand so that we don't ruin the rest of our makeup. I'm just going in with this leftovers on my eyes. It's my first time using it as eyeshadow, I'm a bit nervous. I'm then going in with my Tom Ford Eye Color Quad in 04 Honeymoon. Just taking this shade over here and I'm just highlighting the front corners. And also in the lower 1/3 for my labial cell. I'm gonna deepen the ends of my eyes with this shade over here. Oh my god, I love it. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna deepen the lower edge as well. Taking my big shimmer glitter, this one's from Candy Lab, just gonna point around where my iris is, in the middle. It's a little bit of bedazzle without it being too loud. I'm not gonna do eyeliner first, I'm just gonna go in with falsies, and I wanna make sure that my eyes aren't too heavy looking. How my eyes look right now. As you can see, there are like empty holes. I'm gonna use eyeliner to fill it up. Then I'm gonna take a flat brush like this, as well as a dark brown eyeshadow to give myself a nice little wing at the end. I'm gonna put a little bit in the inner corner. Last but not the least, it is the lips. I'm gonna do a more of like a gradient lip, slowly build up to a bit of red, but I'm gonna do a more everyday look like I said. So this is one of my favorite MAC lipsticks. Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick in Mullet Over. It's a gorgeous nude. Just kind of overlining the top and the bottom to make it look a little bit more like pouty. I'm gonna try something fun. I'm gonna kind of use a little bit of leftover dark brown eyeshadow to do the sides of my lips. It looks like I'm naturally smiling. Next lip color is a true red. This is the Lancôme L'Absolu Rouge in 505 Adoration. Okay, with this, just using a lip brush to stipple it on. It's honestly a little bit red, a little bit orange, so I'm gonna bring a little bit of pink in. And with that, it's my Guerlain Kiss Kiss in 219 Tender Rose. Mix these two colors together. Gloss is a must, and I've been loving the Dear Dahlia Clear Gloss. Especially in the center. Pop some highlight, because more is more. It's Christmas. I'm taking the shimmery one and popping it in the center of the nose. So I'm gonna actually put a dot, like a little mole around this area to kind of like, I don't know, it's like this beauty mole thing that I'm quite into. So I'm just taking an eyeliner. Of course, if you are more comfortable going with a brown gel liner, but I don't have any today. Not forgetting lower lashes. So let's just do a little bit of curls. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!